Hello everyone, on this video let's explore some animated objects that we can choose from our lamp switches and bitmaps tabs here on webserver. The first object that we're going to take a look is the image switcher. So I'm going to drag and drop this object. So basically what this object will do, it will change images based on the value of a Boolean variable. So when it's true it will show an image, and when it's false it will show another image. For this example I have two images imported from my image pool. There is a valve closed and a valve open. So I want to import these images and use them in my image switcher and control the visualization of my valve based on the value of variable. So to do this, let's go to our visualization and select our image switcher here. And here you have the image settings, and you can select the image on and image off. So to select our image on, let's select by the button. Here you have your image spool, and you can select the image for the image on, which will be the valve open. And the image off, I'm gonna select the valve closed. Okay, so let's resize the object. You see that the image is already appearing here on the web server. Now I need to link this image switcher to a variable here on the variable tab. Let's link this to the Q00. So when Q00 change its value, it will change the image show here on web server. The next object that I'm gonna select is gonna be the dip switch. Okay, basically this you can write true or false to a variable based on the position of the switch. You just have to select a variable. It's gonna be the Q00. And let's see one more object. That can be the push switch. Okay, so this is a push button. So while you're pressing the object, the variable linked to this object is gonna be true. And when you release the object, it's going to be false. Now let's select our Q00 variable for the push button 2. Now let's log in into our PLC. I'm going to change the screen to my web server visualization. Okay, so let's go back to our web server. Okay, you can see here that I have my image and it shows the closed valve. So if I press my dip switch, I'm gonna change the image. Okay, so if I go back, it will be back to my image of the closed valve. And if I press the button, so while I'm pressing it, it will be shown the open valve. If I release, it will show my closed valve.